In today's class, we're going to talk about two mostly used packages in Python, NumPy and Pandas. NumPy is integrated into Pandas data frames. Pandas, as we talked about previously, is used for tables and building data, Excel data or CSV data that's used in data analysis, data science, etc., etc. Statistics. We're going to import the NumPy as NP, the basic shortcut, the base shortcut for NumPy. We're going to take the arrange function. Arrange is making a list, an array of NumPy array of giving start and giving end. So as we can see into X, here we are having array starting from 3 till 11. 12 is not included into the array interpretation. So if we want to add a step here, we can say here with step of 2 and it will skip one element, or it will skip one element. 4 it skipped, then 6 is skipped, 8 skipped, 10 skipped. We can either make second degree poem, and then we can make and build a matrix. Let's make reshape from this data set right here. Let's made it from 1 till 10. These are with step 1. Let's take 9 values and let's make reshaping 3 on 3. The matrix now is having 3 columns and 3 rows, but if we want to make 4 on 3, it cannot be shaped size 9 into 4 3. If we want 2 on 3, that's 6 elements, also it's not used. You can only shape when the multiplication of this number of the columns and rows gives the number of length of the array. Now we can make transpose matrix from the matrix with calling just T. The order of the columns and the order of the rows, it will be changed. So it's 1 4 7, where here we're having column of 1 4 7. At the end, let's say something about the pandas labeled. Pandas is a labeled column-oriented data. In pandas, we are building with the import pandas as PD, the main library we're importing. Calling df is data frame shortcut from PD data frame. It's a given class. Here you can see what it's given. It's data. Firstly, the data is first we can take into a label where here it's dictionary having a key value. The key is the name of the column, and here are the column the row values. Sorry, 3, then 4. For example, let's take 1 and 2 one more time. Now let's build some value of the labels, and it will be 1 2 3 4 1 2 based on the values of the labels. Now if we take a look of the df, we are having label and a given value. Label by the key of the dictionary and value by the list given here in the column. Type of df, it's pandas core frame data frame. In the core of the pandas there is class data frame. If we want to take each of the columns separately, we're calling it df, and here applying the string of the label. Also, with point label, dot label, it's the same. If we take the type of this, it's series. This series means that's one dimension and the data frame is two dimensions. So in series, as you can see here, we are not having column. We're having only values, and in data frame, we're having column names. In pandas, you can make some functionalities like group by function. We're grouping, for example, by a given label, and then if we group, this returns just a data frame group by object. We need to make something to it. Let's make sum. So as you can see, 4, it's a only once here, 4, only once. 1 is 2, why it's 1, 2, 1, 2 times appearing 1 plus 1, 2. 3 is only once appearing 3. 2 is 2 times appearing 2 plus 2. If you want to count just the instances, you need to make count. And now as you can see, 4 is appearing once, 1 is appearing twice, 3 is appearing once, and 2 is appearing twice. These are only the basics about NumPy and pandas that we have. In the future, we will take a look how we read and write into files and etc.